Me, like, who's the kid riding with? I didn't even see him underneath. I thought he was on the back of Hawkeye. That's how much I could not see him.
Did we make it?
Don't know, kid. We just gotta wait.
And hope we didn't miss it.
Please, let us be in time.
Come out wherever you are.
And there it is.
There it is.
Huh. Well, I'll be.
That's our ghost train.
Yep.
Let's move.
You got it. Time to hit your ride.
Let's go.
Oh, the kid.
Don't worry. Kate's got some serious forearm strength.
Yes, she does.
Got this, kid.
She's a Hawkeye.
I gotcha.
Nice one, kid. What tarnation? Don't stray too far, will you, Morris?
Guys.
What?
Oh boy.
We're going off the cliff, right? Yeah, because most likely that thing's engine's going to carry it.
Hang on.
What did you think was going to happen? You guys were going to fall?
What in the hell?
Yeah, I got a hovercraft from Star Wars over here in the Marvel Universe.
Over a canyon.
When we find your dad, do not tell him about this.
Look.
Yeah. Looks like the railroad
Cosmic
workers
Cube?
weren't the only thing the hood made off with. This looks like one of Stark's inventions.
No?
I'll be. Stark Munitions, Hammer Steel, Cross Manufacturing.
Hey.
The Hood's jacked all of them.
This is an arsenal. Enough to take the whole damn West by storm.
Dad. Dad. Dad, where are you? Dad,
Hmm.
are you here?
Are they the workers?
Yeah, well, if the Hood's looking for an army, a bunch of railroad workers.
What's he doing to them? Because none of them are looking, they're all looking forward.
在哪儿？
Yeah, and their eyes are wide open.
爹，是我呀，俊凡。
Something's wrong.
爹，why won't he answer?
Some kind of devilry. The hood.
That's the best answer, some kind of
Which
devilry.
means we need to have a word with the man himself.